82% of you guys are not subscribed. That means there's more than half the chance that yeah, I'm talking to you, you chameleon, you haven't subscribed. You think I wouldn't notice? Do it. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Strallen and I have produced a track that has over 12,000 streams. If you can tell, I missed my last week's upload. Wanna know why? Because this guy decided to screw up my life and chose to give out my results a week earlier. Thank you very much. So, as a compensation for my previous week's video, I'm gonna make 2 drops for you guys today. Today I am going to show you guys how to become famous in India. Basically, you have to become this guy and use the same Indian instruments over and over and over and over in all of your tracks, because hardware is too mainstream and we Indians are conservative as hell. We hate foreign talent. No, we forbid you to accept EDM because we can't produce it. Why?
Yes, ma'am. Why don't you like EDM?
It's not even music, it's just electronically computerized generated beats.
You're right. And what this corporation is doing is coming over to your room every time you hit play, performing the song live in front of you without using any sort of digital audio workstation, and no digital audio is coming out of your speakers. No, that is fine. T-Series Indian. So let's get into this short and sweet tutorial. I have a drum pattern going on which is similar to Nucleya's. And for the second drop, I also have the melody that he uses. He uses a sort of harpish melody. So how to achieve the lead, you ask? It's actually, he uses an Indian instrument which is called Nadaswaram, and there's only one way to mimic that, and that is to play it live. And the closest thing I could see other than Contact is a plugin called what is it called? Okay, it's called Swar Plug. So I chose this because you guys haven't subscribed, and I'm not making any money off YouTube and I can't afford Contact. So this is the plugin. It has a lot of Indian sounds, and the one we are looking for is this. Sounds very Indian. Now just copy and paste the melody there, and that's it. Actually, let's just assign this to a mixer track, some OTT, which makes this sound like this. Some EQ to remove the low end, some reverb, more reverb. For the second drop, I have this melody. So it's quite simple again, just use the same instrument as I told you in the intro. Use it over and over and over and over until you have a hit. Over this we are going to add another preset, and that is the Shehnai. Copy and paste it. Let me just adjust the volume. And that's it. Just throw it to the same channel and you're done being Nucleya. Let's hear the 2 drops. Download the project, link in description, subscribe and turn on notifications. Dislike the video, troll me in the comments, I don't care, but do subscribe. Bye.